is all about C.S. Lewis, who honeymooned at the Old Inn. So we've got the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. And I did put on the Lion, the Witch, and Wardrobe just in case anybody has not been reading their C.S. Lewis for a while. And then I started. This is the fun bit in a way. This is all built up with different sorts of string and rope, and just nailed and stapled down, and then covered with PVA and texturized paint so that it's so that it doesn't look like rope anymore, really. But and then I built up bits with isopon and glass fibre and stuff as well, just to get it sort of more organically coming out of the tree. But I just sort of kept on and experimented with various different materials. Some I had to pull back off again because they weren't ever going to be rigid enough, even when they were coated with PVA, to withstand just normal wear and tear. And once I had that done, then I was able to kind of put in the background, and this is meant to be roughly Crawfordsburn and running down to the sea, but it's a sort of magic landscape as well. And then this is built up. I'll show you how I do it, just with again the texturized paint that you put on, and use a technique called frottage. You pull it back off again and then let it sit a bit, and then smooth it with a palette knife, so you get these bit mixtures of smoothness and little rough patches that then I put gold powder mixed with varnish over that, and then rub some dark brown paint into it so that it catches in the interstices, so you get the sort of definition, and you get the texture and the sort of third dimension. And that's the same pretty much as what I did. That's right, you know, you can change it. That's a good thing about it. It isn't just a sort of one shot, one hit, but it is something that has to be built up over time to get the sort of richness, really. Unless you do that, it looks all a bit thin. And then I just for the hell of it, I pressed some leaves and put them on, and then I stenciled some lettering on to get the names of everybody who's been connected with Crawfordsburn and the Old Inn, and some places in the area. And then again, I've just sort of stencil the name, the lettering on with textured paint, and then work round it till I get the kind of light and shade and depth that I want.